Hello friends, we have something new to try today, at least new to Yay Fun Times. Sour Patch Kids in the Strawberry Watermelon Glow Ups. Now, I saw this at the store and I thought I have to get it, I have to try it out with you guys. Because we see, they're Sour Patch Kids. They are sour and then they are sweet. And we get a little window here. We can see they glow. Okay, so there's strawberry and watermelon. I have mentioned before that watermelon candies aren't usually my favorite, but I'm willing to try these out because they're so special. So let's look at this here. We can see, look at how interesting these look on the outside. Anyway, we see their nutritional information, and of course the nutrition is not good because it's candy. Candy is meant for fun, not health. So I'm going to open this up. Clear this out a little bit. Oh. Okay. So let's pour these out. Okay. Okay, so looking at them, it's hard to tell which one would be raspberry and which one would be lemon and which one would be watermelon. It looks like one is a little shorter than the other. So maybe that will help us determine what flavor is what. But here they are. Let's take a closer look so we can see they're like little flecks of color in it. Okay, they say they're glow in the dark. I want to know how though. So it says it has edible confetti that glows under a black light. Oh, I don't have a black light. Okay, let me try something. So I have a light here, and because of the way light works, this looks white right now, but it's actually purple. So let me show you how it reflects off my wall. So you see it is actually purple. Okay, so this is pretty close to a black light. So it's like a purple blue, like an indigo. So I have some of these Sour Patch Kids, as you can see. And I'm going to, you know what, I think it might be easier just to get this light and kind of shine it down. Okay? So you know what, I'm gonna put this like this. I'm gonna leave it here for about a minute, and then I'm gonna come back and see if it helps change or helps make these Sour Patch Kids glow in the dark. Okay, it's been about a minute. Now I'm going to take the power off from this light, and I'm going to see if these things are nice and bright, glowing in the dark. Let's see. They are not. Okay. So I'd say the glow in the dark thing is a bit of a gimmick. It doesn't really work unless you do have a black light. I don't, and I'm not about to buy a black light just to try out some candies, because the purpose of candies is eating. Now, can you see this well? Okay, so I would say these taste okay. They're not particularly sour. The watermelon actually doesn't taste that bad, so you might like it. And yeah, I probably won't buy these again. They're not that special, but I just thought they'd be kind of cool to show you guys. And it's candy after all. So, you know, candy's always good. So anyway, thanks for watching Yay Fun Times. Come back to see another new video here. Bye.